welcome back to our channel Unique Sneak Peeks. I'm so excited to share with you today our magical European journey. In today's vlog, we are exploring Vienna, a city full of imperial charm, stunning architecture, and cozy little corners waiting to be discovered. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the heart of Austria together. So we flew Air India from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Vienna. Delhi to Vienna was about a 9-hour long journey and we reached Vienna at night. We collected our suitcases and headed straightway to get our car from the airport. We had booked our car from Avis, though Sixit is another agency which is very famous in Vienna. We loaded our car with a hell lot of suitcases that we had and headed straight to our Airbnb. Once we reached the Airbnb, we really loved it. It was really beautiful. And the nighttime views were also very amazing. I'll link the Airbnb in the description below. In case you're interested, you can check it out. Hello everyone from Vienna. This is our day 2 and this is the daytime view from our Airbnb. It is so amazing. You can see the whole of Vienna from here. Well, it's such a peaceful day to start with. We started a little late because we were tired from the flight last night and we headed straight to the city center for our lunch. This chili oil is just like Din Tai Fung. If you all have gone to Singapore or Dubai and tried dim sums at Din Tai Fung, this is the same sauce and I've got it in Vienna. It's amazing. How do you like it?
Very nice. Very nice.
तसल्ली हो गई यार. So authentic, so Thai. चा ग्रिल में खाना खाकर ऐसी तसल्ली हो गई है, क्या बताऊँ मैं आपको. हमने थाई खाया, फिर हमने थोड़ा सा जापानीज खाया. Now with our stomach full, we decided to explore the city center. It was here in city center that we saw a lot of horse carriages standing in a line. So we thought, why not hop onto one and just stroll through the city center on the horse carriage. Well, let me tell you, it really felt like a fairy tale. Our day 3, we started with visiting the St. Stephen's Cathedral. This is St. Stephen's Cathedral. और यहाँ पर आप टॉप तक जा सकते हो. There is one north tower and one south tower. So south tower से अगर आपको टॉप पे जाना है तो you have to climb 343 steps. तो अगर तो आपका उस दिन का कार्डियो नहीं हुआ है तो please carry on with that. But otherwise, the best thing is to go inside the church. Then there's a north tower over there, और वहाँ से elevator जाती है, which takes you to the top. Please make sure that you go all the way to the top because the views from there are just superbly amazing. जो एलिवेटर जाती है दैट कॉस्ट अबाउट 7 euros. लेकिन अगर आपको चर्च के अंदर जाना है या एलिवेटर से जाना है तो जो भी टिकट्स हैं यू हैव टू पे बाय कैश. सो इट इज़ बेटर कि आप अपने साथ थोड़ा सा कैश रखिए बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्रेडिट कार्ड्स नहीं लेते अंदर. बाकी सब शॉप्स में क्रेडिट कार्ड्स चलते हैं. After visiting the cathedral, one thing that was up on our mind was just schnitzel, their local food. This is Vignola restaurant. It is famous for its schnitzels. It's the original for schnitzel. बट यहाँ पर हमेशा लाइन लगी हुई है, तो अगर आपको यहाँ आना है तो प्लीज़ बुकिंग करके आइएगा. देयर इज अनदर वन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ओवर हियर. एक फिर यहाँ मीटर्स पर भी है, बट बेटर है बुकिंग करके आइएगा. और आप सामने देखिए फिगमूलर पे कितनी लाइन लगी हुई है, बट दैट इज़ ऑल्सो बेटर कि आप बुकिंग कर आइए. हम कल भी आए थे, आज भी आए, हमको दोनों दिन जगह नहीं मिली, तो फाइनली हमें स्निट्ज़ल ही खाना था, तो हम एक दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट में गए और वहाँ पर हमने स्निट्ज़ल ट्राई किया. सो इट्स नाइस. Different है थोड़ा.
क्या चीज़ होती
कोई नट साइंस में.
है? टेस्टी है? अच्छा लगा? अच्छा लगा?
Post lunch, we strolled around the city center. We did some shopping and picked up some souvenirs. We decided to have our coffee and dessert at some other place. So we went to this cafe where we tried the apple strudel. I'm having apple strudel for the first time. I've never had. Okay. I think you might like it. Now Brajesh is going to try the apple strudel. I'm sure he'll like it. ये वैसे ही मीठू राम है. You like it? Okay. It's not to my taste.
Yeah.
You like it?
Good.
Good?
Ice cream on top.
Ice cream on top. Yeah. Nice. In case you love Swiss chocolates, you can see Les Roche over here, which has superb chocolates. You can buy if you want to. The shop was closed, but we bought our stock the next day. Because we couldn't get to eat the chocolates, so we ended our day by having an ice cream. My favorite.
This one. Dark chocolate.
That's really yummy. We were feeling a bit jet lagged, so we had a slow day. We stayed back at the Airbnb and started our day a little late. We went for a drive in the evening and then went to Schönbrunn Palace. The palace closes at 6 pm. We roamed around from outside and I think it was equally beautiful. In the elevator and now we are getting down at the lobby. और लॉबी से अभी हम जाएंगे नीचे ग्रॉसरी शॉप पे विच इज़ कॉल्ड बिल्ला. सो ब्रजेश और मैं उसको बिल्ला बाजी बुलाते हैं. हम अपनी ग्रॉसरी स्टोर बिल्ला पे आए और हमने देखा कि दुकान बंद पड़ी हुई है. सो सैड. सो अभी हमें कुछ खाने के लिए और कहीं ढूंढना पड़ेगा. चलिए ढूंढते हैं. कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है इसके आसपास, पर चलिए कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. बिकॉज देयर इज़ एन इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट ओवर देयर, but then that is also closed. So let's see आज डिनर में खाने को क्या मिलता है. कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. ये कुछ खाने की चीज़ लग रही है मुझे यहाँ पर. नहीं रेस्टोरेंट है मुझे.
रेस्टोरेंट है यार ये तो. क्या नाम है रेस्टोरेंट?
लग रहा है कि कुछ खाने को मिल जाएगा. चलो अंदर चले. we have decided to order for salmon and corn cutlets with mashed potatoes. Brijesh is having this, and I am having spaghetti with seafood. So basically, both of us are seafood lovers, and I think we got the right place to come. So let's enjoy our meal. अभी ब्रजेश ट्राई करने वाला है अपना खाना. It is cod and salmon cutlet with mashed potatoes. Let us see how he likes it. कैसा है ब्रजेश? आपको ब्रजेश की शक्ल से क्या लग रहा है? It's amazing.
Good, very tender.
Yeah, Brijesh likes cod and I like salmon. Brijesh, दोगे मुझे थोड़ा सा?
Yeah, I'll see.
Okay, I'll
As
also
long as you-
taste. With some seafood, mussels.
Alright.
Very, very yummy. बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा. Perfect transfer.
What is this?
आइसक्रीम नहीं है.
है क्या ये?
सिगरेट्स है और कैंडीज है.
This is tobacco.
Tobacco and there's some candies also. But no ice cream. ये भी सिगरेट्स ही है. इसमें भी सिगरेट है. Sorry. I feel like having an ice cream. मुझे कोन वाली आइसक्रीम खाने का मन कर रहा है और इतनी ठंडी है. ठंडी में आइसक्रीम खाने का एक अलग ही मज़ा है. पता नहीं मैं हर सिटी पे जाके एक आइसक्रीम ज़रूर खाती हूँ. आई एंजॉय इट. चलो कोई बात नहीं, कल देखेंगे. I'm listing a few more must-see spots in Vienna, though we didn't go there, but you can if you have the time in Vienna. It's time to say goodbye to Vienna and hello to Prague. Well, that's it for today's adventure in Vienna. I hope you enjoyed soaking in the charm of this beautiful city just like we did. If you like this vlog, do not forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. There's so much more of Europe coming your way. Next stop, Prague. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, it's adios, tata, bye bye. Love you all.